In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete users on Connecteam. Before you begin, make sure you're absolutely certain you want to permanently remove the user. Deleting a user in Connecteam also removes their associated data, so this action is not something you'll want to do casually. If you may need the user's information later, take a moment to review your options before moving forward. To get started, go to the Connecteam Launchpad and log into your admin dashboard. You'll need admin level access for this process since user deletion is managed from the administrative side of the platform. Once you're signed in and looking at the dashboard, find and select the users section. This is where you can view and manage the people in your account. After you open the users area, look for the user you want to delete. If you have a long employee list, it's usually fastest to use the search function to locate the correct person. Take a second here to verify that you've selected the right user, especially if there are similar names or multiple team members with related roles. Since this is a permanent action, it's worth double checking before you continue. Once you've found the correct user, move your cursor over that user's row. On the far right side of the row, you should see a trash icon. Click that trash icon to begin the deletion process. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're hovering directly over the correct row, because some controls only appear when that row is active. After clicking the trash icon, Connecteam will ask you to confirm the action. To complete the removal, click Delete Forever. This is the final confirmation step, and once you choose it, the user and all associated data will be permanently deleted from the system. That's it. The basic process is to log into the admin dashboard, open users, search for the person you want to remove, click the trash icon on their row, and then confirm by selecting Delete Forever. As a final reminder, only use this option when you're sure permanent deletion is the right choice. If you're managing a busy team, it can be helpful to pause for one last review before confirming, just to prevent accidental data loss. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to delete users on Connecteam quickly and correctly.